Hi folks, welcome back. Well, it's been a while. Basically because of the weather. Every weekend when I went to do something on the van, it's just been, the weather's been lousy, so, and I've had a few little health issues, and I've just couldn't be bothered, to be perfectly honest. Anyway, here we are, we're on the bumper saga. So, went to see the powder coater last week, and he's absolutely no idea what's went on here. So he just said to me, give them his due, whip them off, bring me them back, and I'll redo them for you. I'm extremely sorry. So, as you can see, they're basically all going the same way. It's only on the edges, apart from that, the left hand bumper, which is actually showing through on the top. Same with the roof rack brackets. They're all exactly the same. All on the edges. So I'm going to get them off, take them into the garage, and I'm going to drop them off at the powder coaters at some point tomorrow. So bring these back when I'm got them off. So there they are, they're off, lying on the garage floor. Get a better look at them. So I've took the brackets off as well, because the brackets are actually shown same again on the edges. I don't know why it's just not put enough on the edges to seal, because it literally seems to be just the edges of all the joints. Wherever there's an edge, that's where the rust is rusting through. There you go, where the mud flap attaches, same. Where the bumper override goes through, it's all on the edges. It's almost as if the edges haven't been sealed. So anyway, as he said, he told me to bring them back, so we'll get them up to him. There you go, same edges on the roof rack brackets. Exactly the same. As I say, they're all pretty much the same, so I don't know what's went wrong. I'm sure he'll have a look and come up with something. I don't know, but I'm just going to drop them off to him at some point tomorrow, and we'll see what they come back like and take it from there. That's that. But we've also had a wee delivery of stuff for the van, which will be coming in a future video, which I can't do until we get the brackets back from the roof rack, because once the roof rack brackets go back on, I can then fit the awning. So I was putting a few orders in last week there. So I put an order in for myself as well. So the van's going to be basically a promotional tool for the business, as I actually run a company called Fiamma Deals Limited, and we sell awnings for all vans, completely brackets, kits. Check us out, fiammadeals.co.uk. But as I say, we're rude not to put one on my own. So here we go. Go and put the light on in the hallway. We have a 4.5 metre Fiamma F45S in black, and as you see now, with a full motor kit, full LED kit. So yeah, it'd be extremely rude not to. Anyway, from me and the wee man, hope you enjoyed the wee video. Give us a like and a subscribe if you did. Take care out there, people. Ta-da.